Welcome to CrystalMaker 11. This tutorial introduces you to the auto range command, which we added in CrystalMaker 11. Crystals are defined in terms of an arrangement of atoms and chemical bonds inside a unit cell. Crystalline materials comprise billions of such unit cells, repeated in 3 dimensions. For the purposes of understanding their structures, we typically focus on the unit cell itself. However, we sometimes need to include additional atoms in order to understand the wider structure. Let's take the oxide mineral spinel as an example of an interconnected inorganic framework. Here's a conventional view of one unit cell. We can inspect the current plot range using the range command. Here we can see that a full unit cell is indeed drawn, with a range of fractional coordinates going from 0 to 1 along each of the 3 crystallographic axes x, y, and z. The problem is at the edges, where our aluminium atoms are missing bonds. Now we could simply expand the plot range. This adds more oxygens so that some of the edge aluminiums are fully bonded, but it also adds new magnesium atoms in yellow, which are clearly underbonded. Let's fix this with the auto range command. We can either click the auto button in the range popover, or we can choose the range auto range menu. Now those edge aluminiums are fully bonded, and if we switch to a polyhedral model, we can verify this. So CrystalMaker has expanded the plot range automatically to reveal those missing oxygen atoms around aluminium, but it has also been smart and not shown any additional metal ions such as the yellow magnesiums. This is a much neater view. Let's see how this command would work for a typical molecular crystal. We'll use benzene as an example. This view shows the full unit cell contents, and it's a bit of a mess. Where are our individual benzene molecules? We can try expanding the plot range, and we get some intact molecules, but the rest is still a bit of a mess. Again, let's fix this with the auto range command. Now we get our intact molecules. In fact, we get 4 of them. Now for molecular crystals, CrystalMaker uses a slightly different algorithm, and it shows the full contents of one unit cell, but optimized to ensure that only intact molecules are shown. This is equivalent to the old show molecular cell command in CrystalMaker 10. The auto range command is designed to show an optimal range of atoms associated with one unit cell, give or take a few edge atoms. But what if you need to show several unit cells worth of atoms? How to fix this? Here we have a slab of spinel parallel to 010. And it's clear that there are missing bonds around the cations. We can fix this really easily using the range repair edges command. What about a molecular crystal? We could use the repair edges command here, but as that command only works on nearest neighbour atoms, it probably won't give the results we desire. Instead, we'll explicitly repair molecular fragments. And here are fully repaired molecules around our initial plot range. So that's a quick look at the auto range command introduced in CrystalMaker 11, which provides an optimized view of the atoms associated with one unit cell. We also looked at commands to repair the edges of an extended range, including the Repair Molecular Fragments command.